ready for some fun and entertaining visual experience. In this video, you'll see an elephant and mammoth brought to life with a collection of hilarious and eye-catching video effects, creative audio effects, and exciting visual enhancement. Proudly present with contribution from M Creation. This edit is designed to entertain, surprise, and showcase creative video editing techniques. Sit back, enjoy the effects, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun edits and creative content. This is a normal clip.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 1. Rubik's Squares.
Oh, you are so little mammoth.
Number 2. Cyborg Vision.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 3. Clear the Sun.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 4. Photocopied.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 5. Underwater.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 6. Glitch Cam Edit.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 7. Snappy Noise.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 8. Diamond Facets.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
Number 9. In Your Eye. Number 10. Tree Slides.
Oh, you are so cute, little mammoth.
And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome video pics to come. See you in the next video. Peace.